Hello Virgo, and welcome to your quick oracle reading. For today, we'll be using the affirmation of the fairy cats. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. So your card right now is the card of death. This is about changes. It's about you leaving behind kung ano yung mga nakaraan. Bibitawan mo na yung mga dapat mong bitawan. Kung ilibing mo na yung mga kailangang ilibing. May it be some past pains, some experiences na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo. Maybe iba nga sa'yo for some knowledge eh. And some belief system na sabihin natin hindi na maganda yung nagiging dating sa'yo. Anything, sabi ng card na to, anything na hindi na nakakatulong para mag-grow ka, anything na pumipigil for you to be able to move freely in the blessings of the universe, it is something na kailangan mo nang ilibing talaga. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Again, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.